Do a demonstration video. This is the Polyglass Polystick MTS. It is a fully adhered product. It has a sticky back which is designed to glue directly to the plywood. Thus prevent it from blowing off when we get major winds like Hurricane Laura. So first thing we do is we're going to run this product slightly over the edge of the building, all sides. This has what we call a split release liner on it, which allows us to tear this out on this side and seal it down behind us. Come back and smooth it up, and then we repeat the process. On the underneath side. Over the eave of the house. It'll also allow the product so it does not want to pull off and pull away from the plywood. It's our second sheet. We're going to come up here, line it up. Black strip. Center of our sheet. We're going to repeat the process. The surface has good contact to the plywood. Come down here, release the lower liner. The product's designed to seal to the plywood and also seal to this glue strip right here, creating a watertight surface. We can leave the product exposed for 180 days.